So two straight lines, AB and AC, are shown below. It says the point P is equidistant from line AB and line AC. So let's deal with the first bullet point here. Now, the word equidistant simply means equal distance, as you can sort of work out from the word really. It sort of almost implies that, doesn't it? Like equal then distance. So we need to have our point P so that it's equal in distance from line AB and line AC. In order to do that, we need to sort of have a pathway along here, if you think about it, because if you're along a pathway down the middle, then you're the same distance. When you're on that pathway, you're the same distance to either line. So to get a line going down the middle, that's just a it's just an angle bisector, isn't it? Okay. So if we go to A, and we'll create then an arc. Okay. And then we can, where the arc crosses each line, we can then put the pin here and draw an arc here. Put the pin here, the arc crosses the line, and where they intersect with each other, we can then create our angle bisector. So essentially then, P will lie on this line somewhere. Now I don't know exactly where on this line, but it'll be somewhere on this line according to the first bullet point. So whatever you're on here, it's the same distance to AC as it is to AB. And then in the second bullet point, it says it's 6.5 centimeters from point B. So got to be sort of considerate here in terms of where P could be in relation to 6.5 from B, because you could be 6.5 centimeters directly above it, okay, like that. You could be 6.5 centimeters on a sort of angle like that. In fact, it could be 6.5 centimeters anyway as I rotate this ruler around, as long as I'm 6.5 centimeters away. And if you think about it, as you're rotating that to be 6.5 centimeters around, it's actually creating an arc, isn't it? Okay, it's actually creating a circular arc. Okay, so we can use our compass and measure out to be 6.5 centimeters. Put a pin there, 6.5, stretch out the pencil to 0, so 6.5 centimeters long, and then I draw my arc. So that every point on that arc is 6.5 centimeters from B. Okay, so that's the second bullet point. And the third bullet point, it says it's got to be more than 8 centimeters from point A. And similarly then, as we just discussed previously, it could be 8 centimeters over here, it could be 8 centimeters here, etc., all the way around. It would create an arc of 8 centimeters from A. So put my pin here, move it across, so I get 8 centimeters on my ruler. Okay, yeah, that's about 8. So then go to A, and I'm going to draw an arc then. Now, this time it doesn't say 8 centimeters exactly, it says more. It's even got it in bold, more than 8 centimeters. Okay, so we need to be outside of that arc there. Okay, it's definitely got to be outside of the arc. So let's think about where P now could be. Well, P has got to lie on this line. Okay, it's got to lie on that line somewhere. It's got to be 6.5 centimeters from B, so it's got to be on this arc as well, but it's also got to be more than 8. So it's got to be outside of this arc here. So it can't be anywhere here, because it's got to be outside. So it's got to be here somewhere on this line, on this angle bisector. And of course, the only position it could be to satisfy all 3 bullet points is here, where actually at that point, it's on the angle bisector, it's on the arc, which is 6.5 from B, and it's also more than 8 from A.